Ethereum cost fundamentally equivalent to $1,808.06 a coin, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The present exchange cost range, $1,797.46–1,811.61, which especially is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 1,800.56, or so they explicitly thought. The change basically was plus 7.50, plus 0.42% in an unobtrusive way. Backwards rate, USD to ETH, or so they fundamentally thought. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $17.79, kind of greatest 1904, for the most part least 1654. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost $17.77, genuinely greatest 1901, really least 1653 amazingly. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost $17.85, extremely greatest 1910, sort of least 1660 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, May 25, cost $18.01, lovely greatest 1927, genuinely least 1675 in an extremely significant way. In multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost $18.05, genuinely most extreme 1931, kind of least 1679 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost $17.93, essentially most extreme 1919, certainly least 1667, or so they explicitly thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $18.06, truly most extreme 1932, truly least 1680 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, May 31, cost $17.60, truly greatest 1883, genuinely least 1637 in a very huge way. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $17.54, genuinely most extreme 1877, genuinely least 1631 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days Ethereum figure on Friday, June 2, cost $17.49, certainly greatest 1871, sort of least 1627, which in a real sense is very huge. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, June 5, cost $17.25, truly most extreme 1846, truly least 1604, which by and large is genuinely critical. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, June 6, cost $17.05, kind of greatest 1824, least 1586, which fundamentally is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost $16.24, really greatest 1738, by and large least 1510, which generally is very huge. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, June 8, cost $17.26, essentially most extreme 1847, kind of least 1605, which especially shows that in about 14 days Ethereum gauge on Friday, June 2, cost $17.49, greatest 1871, kind of least 1627 in a sort of large manner. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, June 9, cost $17.01, exceptionally greatest 1820, extremely least 1582, which sort of is genuinely huge. Ethereum estimate on Monday, June 12, cost $17.32, sort of greatest 1853, kind of least 1611, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost $17.70, extremely greatest 1894, exceptionally least 1646. So Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $17.25, in every practical sense, most extreme 1846, sort of least 1604 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, June 14, cost $17.33, fundamentally greatest 1854, extremely least 1612, which generally is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost $16.98, certainly greatest 1817, least 1579, showing how in 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, June 9, cost $17.01, really most extreme 1820, least 1582, or so they generally thought. In about a month Ethereum gauge on Friday, June 16, cost $17.13, lovely greatest 1833, sort of least 1593, which sort of is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 19, cost $16.98, beautiful greatest 1817, especially least 1579, showing how Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, June 13, costs $17.70. Certainly most extreme $18.94. Least $16.46. So Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 5, costs $17.25. Most certainly most extreme $18.46. Sort of least $16.04 in a by and large significant manner. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, June 20, costs $17.37. Kind of greatest $18.59. Certainly least $16.15 in a sort of significant manner. USD to ETH conversion scale extremely equivalent to 0.5531 coins per $1,000, which shows that Ethereum figure on Wednesday, May 31, costs $17.60. Greatest $18.83, genuinely least $16.37, which essentially is very huge. Today, S reach 0.5520 minus 0.5563 in a for the most part significant manner. The past day, S nearby 0.5554, which really shows that the past day, S nearby 0.5554. Change for now 0.0023, 0.41%, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. USD to ETH cost estimate for, in the not so distant future and month in a quite huge manner. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Monday, May 22, costs 0.562 coins, really greatest 0.605, truly least 0.525, which most certainly is genuinely huge. USD to ETH expectation on Tuesday, May 23, costs 0.563 coins, greatest 0.605, especially least 0.526 in a significant way. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Wednesday, May 24, costs 0.560 coins, especially greatest 0.602, in every way that really matters, least 0.524, which essentially is genuinely critical. USD to ETH expectation on Thursday, May 25, costs 0.555 coins, especially most extreme 0.597, by and large least 0.519, or so they by and large thought. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum estimate on Friday, May 26, costs 0.554 coins, sort of greatest 0.596, in every way that really matters, least 0.518 in a truly significant way. USD to ETH expectation on Monday, May 29, costs 0.558 coins, kind of greatest 0.600, extremely least 0.521, which basically is very critical. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, May 30, costs 0.554 coins, especially most extreme 0.595, essentially least 0.518 in a fundamentally significant way. USD to ETH expectation on Wednesday, May 31, costs 0.568 coins, beautiful greatest 0.611, exceptionally least 0.531, which generally is very huge. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Thursday, June 1, costs 0.570 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.613, fundamentally least 0.533 in a really significant way. In about 14 days USD to ETH expectation on Friday, June 2, costs 0.572 coins, most extreme 0.615, exceptionally least 0.534, exhibiting how Ethereum figure on Monday, June 12, costs $17.32, in every way that really matters, greatest $18.53, by and large least $16.